Good day, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. I have to tell you the story about Chippy yesterday. It is classic, man. Yesterday I surfed in the morning. Chippy he has to go to the beach. So he went with me to the beach, and in the afternoon I thought, I'm going to take another session, but I don't want to take Chippy with. So I said to my wife, I'm going surfing quickly, and I'm not taking Chippy with. She says, no man, take him with. I said, no. And then I, feeling guilty, and I'm not taking him with, I took a piece of dry horse, and I said, Chippy, here's a piece of dry horse. You're not going with the beach. You have to choose the beach or the dry horse. And it was classic. He took the dry horse, he held it in his teeth, and I said, you must choose going to the beach or the dry horse. He dropped that horse. He ran to the car, so I had to take him. Can you believe it? A dog drops a dry horse to go to the beach. Oh man, I love a dog. But okay, last week, busy with this boat story. So now we got that boat out, and I felt when we were sailing from PE to Richards Bay, the rudder is like over responding. You know, a rudder must have a leading edge to help you steer. It makes it lighter. But this, if you turn a little bit too much, the boat will take off this way or take off that way. It will like overact. So when we got the boat out, I measured from the center to the front, the leading edge, and I realized I made it 50-something%. That's no good. You never do a rudder, because then the force on a rudder becomes closer and closer to the center points, like you're putting your hand out of your car window when you're driving, and you just lift your hand, you feel your hand going up, because that is completely leading edge around the center. So the rudder was like that, too much leading edge. So I took that rudder off and cut that existing rudder off. That was one of the first big jobs. And then got another plate and bent it, and I made it 20%, which then was perfect, even for your autopilot. It's lighter on the autopilot, lighter on the hand. I remember I used to line that boat with my toe on a wheel, and could steer that boat with it. But that was perfect. That was one big job. And to bend that, I put it down on the ground and rode my car over the pipe with it, trying to bend that plate to form the shape like an aeroplane wing. See you guys in the water, and love you. Keep the stoke.